Hey guys, my name's Tyler Smith here with MarineMax Texas Mastercraft, showing you one of our pieces of inventory, a 2022 Mastercraft X22 in midnight black with the white. Let's take a step inside and we can look at some of the features. Hey guys, as we step inside this boat, you can see we have this beautiful gray interior with the cool feel vinyl that's going to make it nice and cool in those Texas summers. As you can see, we also have our Klipsch audio system all throughout the boat with a pair of tower speakers on our Z8 tower with our clamping board racks. This is going to be a really easy tower for you guys to use, make it really simple to store the boat and also when you're towing. As we step inside the boat, we have our awesome helm station. This one's optioned with dual touch screens. You're going to be able to control everything from here and see your riders out at the back of the boat. We also have our massive storage that comes standard on Mastercrafts that's going to be communicating all the way through to the front of the boat. So you know, all your life jackets, your towels, anything else that you need, you're going to have. As we step forward through the boat, you can see we have our patented Mastercraft pickle fork bow. This is going to provide a ton of room for you guys to sit up here. Everybody's going to be able to chill while also seeing the surfers in the back. Again, this is Tyler Smith here with MarineMax Texas Mastercraft, showing you a 2022 Mastercraft X22. Give me a call and we can get you squared away.